Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the card and connections. This saves time. Check the tiny lock switch and the micro to SD adapter seating because a loose adapter looks like a failed card. Once connected, try a different USB port or another reader to rule out peripheral faults. If the card mounts, copy important files now. Do not format yet. Make sure to note the drive letter. It helps with the next steps. These quick checks separate simple fixes from deeper problems. Once you have a stable connection, open your system's disk utility to view partitions and file system type, because the cause is often a damaged file system rather than hardware. Assign a drive letter if missing. It's a simple but common fix. Next, run chkdsk/f on Windows or fsck on Linux to repair metadata. These commands fix file table errors. If files are missing, use recovery tools like test disk or photo rec to scan sectors and restore data before formatting, since format would overwrite recoverable content. After recovering data, format the card to a compatible file system. Use FAT32 for less or equal to 32 GB cards or XFAT for larger cards. This resets the allocation table and resolves many issues. Make sure to choose a quick format first, then a full format if problems persist, because a full format scans for bad sectors. Once formatted, safely eject and test the card in the camera or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.